Strategies for developing your leadership skills. Develop emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is a critical component of effective leadership. Focus on developing your emotional intelligence by practicing empathy, active listening, and self-awareness. This can help you build stronger relationships with your team members and make more informed decisions. Delegate effectively. Delegating effectively is an important part of leadership. Identify tasks that can be delegated to others and empower your team members to take on more responsibility. This can help you focus on high-level tasks and strategic planning, while also building trust and confidence with your team. Build a strong team. Building a strong team is essential for effective leadership. Focus on hiring team members who complement your skill set and share your values and goals. Foster a culture of collaboration, communication, and accountability to ensure that your team is working together effectively. Set clear goals and expectations. Setting clear goals and expectations is important for effective leadership. Clearly communicate your expectations to your team members and set measurable goals that align with your overall business objectives. This can help you stay focused and ensure that everyone is working towards the same goals. 5. Lead by example. Leading by example is a powerful way to inspire and motivate your team members. Model the behavior you want to see in your team members, whether it's working hard, taking responsibility, or practicing open communication. This can help you build trust and respect with your team and create a positive work environment. Develop conflict resolution skills. Conflict is inevitable in any team or business. Focus on developing your conflict resolution skills by practicing active listening, remaining calm under pressure, and finding creative solutions to problems. This can help you resolve conflicts quickly and effectively, while also building stronger relationships with your team members. Foster a culture of learning. Fostering a culture of learning is important for continuous improvement and growth. Encourage your team members to continue learning and developing their skills, whether it's through training programs, online courses, or peer mentoring. This can help you create a team of knowledgeable and motivated individuals who are committed to success. Celebrate successes. Celebrating successes is an important part of effective leadership. Take the time to recognize and celebrate the achievements of your team members, whether it's completing a project on time, exceeding sales targets, or simply demonstrating exceptional teamwork. This can help you build morale and motivation, while also reinforcing positive behaviors and attitudes. Here are some additional tips and strategies for developing your leadership skills. Develop your communication skills. Effective communication is a critical leadership skill. Focus on developing your communication skills by practicing active listening, clarity, and transparency. This can help you build stronger relationships with your team members and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Build resilience. Building resilience is important for effective leadership.